Rolling through the city on these Boggiato, skinny, cheap and bubble gum.
Yo, what's up? I got a 2001 Chevy 1500. It's a V6 6-cylinder engine, and we have no start. All right, so the first thing I'm gonna do, I check for fuel, I check for spark on my ignition coil. It's good, but one thing I noticed, my spark plugs are poop. So it's definitely time to go on and do a quick little tune. Now, if you're wondering on how to replace the spark plugs on this, how can I say, shoehorned in style engine, first thing you do is you take the cover off. To take the cover off, you got 4 10mm bolts. One here, one over here, one down there, and one right there. Once you pull those bolts free, this piece right here, the little happy center console, will all come off as one piece. And take note of these. So I counted them: 1, 2, 3, 4, 2 at the bottom, 2 on each side. But you got 2 more here, y'all. There's 2 bolts here. 1, 2. That panel comes off. Your center part comes out. You should be able to pop it free from here. Okay? Then you got 1, 2 more bolts. Whole thing will come off. Engine cover. And it's just held on with straps. Strap right here, and a strap here. And then in that corner, and right there, this part here, these springs go toward the end. You just grab it by the spring, pull free, and just be careful of your hands, they don't get pinched. I would wear gloves. Remember, the springs go at the top. Some of the newer models actually have latches. Spark plugs, I'm gonna take the tire off, and you'll be able to access everything. You got 1 there, 2, and then 1 under the heat shield. I use my needle nose pliers to twist the spark plug boot free. You just want to twist it on the spark plug to break the seal. You made to free them up. Socket with a little extension. It's nothing really major. 5/8, I believe it is. It is. Loctite. Well, not Loctite, but thread lock anti-seize. I'm sorry. Anti-seize, and of course some dielectric grease for the spark plug boots. So I'm about to go on and start rerouting the wires since I went on and got this free. Some of them you might have a splash shield, some you don't. This one had one, but when we bought it, it didn't have one. So, but that's your spark plug removal. Once again, I can peek up in there. Some have said it'd be easier if you take that shield off, and for others, it's, you know, as long as you got a slim socket. Well, it's not really that slim, but as long as it's slim enough, you shouldn't have no problem with those covers. You gotta run it. She's nice and smooth. No check engine lights on. And it was the same thing on this side. The wires. So you can peek up in here. You got 1 spark plug right there. The other one is right there. And then if you follow the wire down, right where the manifold is, it's right there. Actually, you can see it right there. And the best way to get to these is from the bottom. Take the wheel off. Uh-oh. You hear that? I'm gonna suck it and crackle it. Sounds like it's coming from up in this area. Yep, it is. So I'm gonna go down and fix this real quick. That's a vacuum leak. I'm looking for anything else. Another thing that would have been an issue that I would have looked at, well, I would have thought might have been an issue, is this EGR right here. I would have looked into that if this tuner didn't help me. Well, seeing that I had spark already from the coil was good. Seeing that I also had fuel was good. And of course my air filter's good, it's brand new. The throttle body looks good. So that would be my next culprit right there. So I'm gonna go on and get this cover back on. pretty stinky. It's smelling oil. I got valve cover leaks, it looks like. But Delco wire set, old plugs, they literally look like day one plugs with this engine. Back at it again. Check engine light is off. This is about 40 minutes later into the video. Everything is off. Everything back together the way it should be. Just remember, guys, it was off. Appreciate y'all watching. Stay tuned for more how-to as well as just good old car audio if you're into that. And as I say to all of my car audio people, peace and bass, y'all.